Welcome back. In this demo, we are going to pull the Docker image from Docker Hub and run it. So let's see what we are going to do in a visual manner. So we have a Docker Hub or a Docker registry, and there we have the Docker image my Nginx, and we have v1, v2 and v3 and then v4 version of this Nginx image. And what we are going to do from our local Docker desktop is we are going to pull that Docker image to our local desktop, and once we pull it, we are going to run that Docker image to create containers. So the following commands we are going to learn as part of this demo. So to pull the Docker image, we are going to use Docker pull command, and to run the container from the Docker image, we are going to use the Docker run command, and to connect to the Docker containers, we are going to use Docker exec command, and to stop or start containers, we are going to use Docker stop or Docker start command. And in addition to that, to remove a container, we are going to use Docker rm command. And finally, to remove the Docker image from our local desktop, we are going to run the command Docker rmi. So let's go ahead and then practically implement it. I'll see you in the next lecture. Until then, bye bye. Thank you.